Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of the stock market and build your wealth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top strategies for selecting stocks that can make a real difference in your financial journey. So grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss these gems. Let's start with the first strategy. Do your homework. Before you invest a single dollar, it's crucial to understand the company behind the stock. Look into their financial health, check their earnings reports, revenue growth, and debt levels. For example, I once invested in a tech startup that seemed promising on the surface, but after digging deeper, I realized their debt was skyrocketing. I pulled out just in time. Next up, understand industry trends. The world is constantly evolving and industries rise and fall. For instance, renewable energy is booming right now, while traditional fossil fuels are facing challenges. By focusing on sectors that are positioned for growth, you can significantly enhance your chances of success. Remember, it's not just about picking stocks, it's about picking the right industries. Now let's talk about valuation metrics. This is where many investors get tripped up. You want to compare a stock's price-to-earnings ratio to its industry peers. A stock with a lower PE might be undervalued and a hidden gem. I found a fantastic company in the healthcare sector that was overlooked by many, simply because its PE ratio seemed high compared to its competitors. But upon further analysis, I realized it was investing heavily in R&D, setting itself up for future success. Another key strategy is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes. This way, if one stock takes a hit, the others can help cushion the blow. I personally like to maintain a balanced portfolio, mixing tech stocks with stable dividend-paying companies. And here's a golden nugget. Stay informed and adapt. The market is always changing, and so should your strategies. Subscribe to financial news, follow market trends, and be ready to pivot your investments as needed. I once held onto a stock for too long simply because I was emotionally attached. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Finally, let's wrap it up with trust your gut. After all the research and analysis, sometimes you just have to go with your instincts. If a stock feels right to you, trust that feeling. I've made some of my best investments when I followed my intuition, even when the numbers didn't fully align. So there you have it. By doing your homework, understanding industry trends, using valuation metrics, diversifying your portfolio, staying informed, and trusting your gut, you can become a savvy stock picker. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite stock picking strategies. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about making informed decisions that lead to financial freedom. Until next time, happy investing.